Hi everyone, I just wanted to clear something up and follow up on one of my previous videos about forcing a copy from a Google Doc. I've had a number of you call, email, or text about the fact that it's not working for you when you paste something into Brightspace or paste that link into your announcements. And I couldn't really figure it out. I spent some time looking at it, trying to figure out why this wasn't working for people, and I didn't believe it that it wasn't working, but you are right. And I have figured it out, and this video will show you exactly what I'm talking about and exactly how you can fix that issue and make it work. As you can see here, I'm just in my test course. I've taken a link, I've just pasted it right into my announcement, and I've changed the words at the end to copy. And many of you are having this experience where it doesn't force the copy. Here's what the problem is, and here's how we're going to fix it. So I'm going to go over to my Google Doc here. I'm going to grab the share link from my important class document I have here. And I'm going to copy the link. Just a little tip, I would always change this to anyone with the link just to alleviate any issues that may happen. So copy that link, go over to a new announcement, and as many of you are doing and as I've told you to do, you can just paste that. Well, what this is a hyperlink, and once that's pasted, it's created a hyperlink. And if I go over here and just change the ending to copy, I'm not actually changing the hyperlink. All I'm changing is the words in the title. So if I click over here, I'll show you what I mean. Here's the title, and you can see at the end of the title it says copy, but here's the hyperlink I created the minute I pasted that in there, and it still says edit. So what do we have to do? We can either come in here and change it right inside of here, or my advice would be to change it before you get to this point, and I'll show you a few ways that I would do that. So I'll back up for a second. I'm going to go back to that important document. I'm going to go back into the share link. Make sure again that you change this to anyone with the link, and then copy that link. So now I've copied the link from my important class document. One easy thing you could do is just open up a notepad, open that up, paste it in there, and change it in there. Because there's no hyperlinking here, there's no anything going on in here. I'll just copy that. Now I've got the link with copy on the end. And if I go back into this announcement, I can paste that there, and the hyperlink will be pasted in properly. There you can see the URL says copy on the title and copy. So that's one tip. I'll just review it. Change the link beforehand, maybe in a notepad or somewhere like that. Notepad is a great way to do it. Change the link beforehand. And actually, let me prove this to you first. I'll publish it, and this is going to ask for a copy. There it is. Another way to do it, which is probably the proper way to do it, let's go into a new announcement, and I'll give it a title. Probably the best way to do that, again, I've got that link still copied from over here. I've still got it, sorry, let me get it again. I'll copy that link. I'll go back to my new announcement. The proper way to do this would be to come here to the third icon, quick links icon, click on quick links, scroll down to URL, because that's what we're pasting inside of here. And here's where you'll paste that URL, and here's where you'll want to change to copy. So right back to the slash to copy, and then give it a nice title. And that's going to look a lot neater and a lot nicer in your announcement anyways. And just a tip, always use new window, that's helpful. So that's going to look a lot neater than that URL that you've pasted in there anyways, and that's going to ensure that it's going to force the copy every time as well. There you go, there's the force copy. I hope that helps. Either paste it into a notepad and change that ending, and then you can use that link. Or when you make a new announcement, paste it into the quick links URL and change it right there in URL. Sorry, I had already had that changed. Change it right there in URL, give it a nice title, and that'll work for you every time. And it'll force that copy. I hope that helps. I hope that clears up some issues that some of you have been having. And please email, call if you have any questions or need any follow-up with that. But that's hopefully a real helpful tip for you guys to clear up some things that have been causing you some problems. Take care. Talk to you soon.